guys, and welcome back to Mike's Garage. Today I decided to do something a little bit different. I know usually it's either a car review or I'm working on cars or something like that. But today we're going to do something slightly car related. You need a car to use it, but I'll let you kind of see for yourself. It's something that I've been wanting for quite a while, and I finally decided to pull the trigger and go ahead and do it. So, without dragging this out too long, let's take a look at what I got. Okay, well, like I said, you need a car to use it, and this is my camping trailer. I just got it about a week ago. I've been planning on this for a little while, and finally got around to doing it. This is a 2021 Rockwood Freedom by Forest River pop-up camper. So what I figured I'd do is pull it out and show you guys all the features and how it works. Alright, here's a little walk around on the outside. Got your propane tank and battery and winch for the top. Vent on the top, and then the lower portion is the controls for your refrigerator. Got your city water connection, and this is your tank fill for your water tank. Actually, this is your fill, that's your drain. This is your plug for your air conditioner, and this is where you would hook it into your shore power at your campsite. Big Coleman Mach air conditioner. Got your leveling feet. All LED lights. Spare tire. And it does have a nice awning on it, which we're not going to mess with today. Okay, for those who are technically curious, this is the control for your refrigerator. This shows you how it works. You've got your LP gas, low, medium, high. This is your igniter. This is your 120 volts, so when you're hooked into shore power, you just turn this on. And this is your 12 volt right here. Sorry, I didn't mean to point with that finger. This is your 12 volts, so when you're plugged in to just your battery, you turn that on. So that's your battery power there. And this is your shore power on off. And if you want to set this up, this is your adjuster here. You want to put on your LP gas, you turn this to high, right there, and then you strike it, like that. I actually have it turned off right now, so it doesn't really matter. So that's how that works. This is your pilot light, and this is just your venting system, so nothing exciting up there. Alright, just a couple things here. This is where your grill and table hook on. This is your LP gas connection, and this is your furnace vent. Alright, so now I'm going to set it up. I'll probably speed this up so you don't have to sit through the whole long process of doing it. So, give me a second. So that's all you got to do to get it set up. Now I'll take you inside and kind of show you around a little bit. Alright, now here we are on the inside. This is kind of a full-size bed over here. These are two supports for the upright supports, just to keep it give it a little extra stability. Got a sink. Got a nice little fridge here. Oh, these aren't very efficient. Usually takes about 12 hours to get really cold. Got some power outlets. This is your furnace thermostat. Got a nice sink. This is the kind of third bed or dinette, which I'll set up in a second. This is your furnace here. This is where you would do cooking on this area here. It's got a hole for your gas line, which you just kind of pull through. Get your nice zipper windows. And this is sort of a twin bed size. Good enough for one person. Some nice curtains. Now that is your travel door that I opened there. This is your full door. It just swings down and locks into place. This is your air conditioning controls. Get some storage down here. I just have my power plug and a few odds and ends and some levelers. Probably more stuff to come. All-important fire extinguisher. Just some regular storage drawers. There's more storage down here. And that's also where your gas line is. Another plug. Got a couple of USB outlets. Your water pump. Just turn it on and off. Which is actually under the seat. CO2 detector. And then this is just your fuse box. Alright, so if you don't want this to be a bed, what you do is flip up your cushions this way. There we go. Pull this out. I think they're under here. Yep. That is actually your stove. Just pop these in here. Then you got a nice little table to eat at. It's a little wobbly, but it should do the trick. Well, since I am nice and comfy here, I will tell you these mattresses are pretty comfortable, reasonably thick, and they actually are heated. It's got a little heater control you can plug right in, and should keep you warm. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. And of course, obviously, you got your stove over there, which you can use indoors or out. It has a little hook outside, you can just slide it right on. But it also comes with an outdoor griddle, which is pretty cool. So, might be something to use in the future. So, on our first trip, I'll probably try out all this stuff. Maybe I'll bring you guys along. I'm not sure if you guys like this kind of content. If you do, let me know, and I can do a lot more. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video of my Rockwood Freedom 1640 Limited. If you do, if you like this content and you want to see more, please let me know. I'd be happy to do it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy it. Really helps out. And I guess we'll see you next time. Take care. And I am exhausted from setting this up, so now I'm going to take a nap. Oh.